For this next little experiment, we're going to do elephant's toothpaste, where we have 30% hydrogen peroxide, we have about 5 grams of potassium iodide, and dish soap. And essentially what we're going to look at is, we look at the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. So we know that it's H2O2, meaning that we have hydrogen and oxygen that are its main components, obviously. And we know that it will break down into both hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Now, it will do this naturally, but if we use a catalyst, such as potassium iodide, we will see this reaction happen very quickly. Now, the dish soap is just for effect, so we will expect to get some hydrogen gas and oxygen gas produced. So Brett is going to take the potassium iodide that we have weighed out already, and we have our graduated cylinder with our hydrogen peroxide and dish soap mixed into that. And again, it's very concentrated hydrogen peroxide, so there's lots of it that can be decomposed. So he's going to add it in, and we're going to check out what happens. Add it in very quickly. So we see that we have definitely some gases produced. Obviously, dish soap produces some some pretty good bubbles, and obviously by adding in the oxygen and hydrogen gas, you get nice foam produced. You can see that it's steaming. Hey Brett, can you feel it? Put your hands over top. Yep.
Yeah, it's warm.
Warm, so it is an exothermic reaction producing a lot of heat. And the orange color that we see there is partly from the dish soap, but it's primarily also from the fact that the potassium iodide, when it decomposes, it produces a orange color. The iodide is an orangey brown color. And iodide also will stain the paper black because of the starches in the paper. Potassium reacts with, or the iodide, sorry, reacts with the starches, and since paper is primarily wood pulp and starch, that it will react with that. Notice that it's continuously producing more bubbles, more gases are being produced, which is all from that decomposition of our hydrogen peroxide. So this is why it's called elephant's toothpaste. It kind of looks foamy like toothpaste, and you produce lots of it, so it's enough for an elephant. All right.